What's going on, guys? It's Doss. Welcome back to the channel. Not much of a how-to video or anything, just an update letting you guys know I'm still alive. You see I had to restock on a lot of supplies right here, a lot of paint correction. You know, we got some paste wax, my favorite paste wax, well, just paste wax in general is my favorite. Some new clay bars, and then of course some compound and whatever like that, some pads, polishing pads and whatever. And then we got my nice polisher right here. This thing is nice, especially right now where it's like 30 degrees out here. This little motor part right here gets nice and warm. You just got that right there on your hand or whatever. But yeah, so you know, pretty much just buffing out my cousin's. This is not the same F150 as the other one. This is another F150 that looks just like it. Obviously don't want to get the plate in there, but went ahead and buffed out a couple of blemishes and everything like that, like some swirl marks or some stuff on his paint that turned out to be pretty good. Just didn't really have time to wax it, which is what I bought that for, because it's extremely cold right now in my hands. I can't even really bend my hands right now. So, but anyway, yeah, you know, just enjoy these nice 4K shots and just letting you guys know, you know, just keeping up on the, is that mine? No. Anyway, just keeping up on the algorithm and everything for this channel, or the consistency of this channel. There we go. That sounds better. Anyway, but yeah, stay tuned because we got more to come, especially with the Taurus. Got a lot more videos to come on that thing. That thing is making me all kinds of content. Stay tuned, and that's it.